It is a red carpet day with the preview of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
This is the first time, if you can believe it, that Mickey will feature in his own ride. We're going to see it for the very first time.
And we're going to take you with us.
Here we go, folks. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, the ride.
This is going to be our first ride on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, right this way for the premiere.
Welcome, folks, right this way.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen. Oh, we're going you can find me.
Oh, wow.
Hola pasajeros, durante nuestro viaje en tren, para su seguridad, mantengan sus manos.
Can you all hear me way back in the back? Welcome aboard, folks. We're ready for a relaxing ride around the park.
Stampede! They're running away!
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Step right up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls.
There they are! We'll be right down!
Hope you had a relaxing ride around the park, and thanks for sticking with me.
Nothing can stop us now. I'm so
That is one wild ride.
But so much fun. Great series of surprises all the way through, and just terrific entertainment.
Lots of fun things to look for, too.
You better keep your eyes wide open.
There is so much going on in Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I always like to say there's 10 pounds of show in a 5-pound bag. There's more happening in every scene than you possibly have time to see and take in. And so it's kind of my dream that when guests unload the train at the end of the ride-through experience, they're going to say, "What was that? We have to do it again."
One of the features of our attraction that we're very proud of is that it's very repeatable. Depending on what car you are in on the train, you will have a slightly different experience. There are so many surprises and so much show that's been packed into this attraction. Our guests are going to have to ride it multiple times to pick up everything that is there.
Rest of the night, but they're coming to a premiere, yes! So the party won best dressed. That's right, party people, we are celebrating the premiere of Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway tonight. We're excited to have each and every one of you here. It's going to be an amazing night with some celebrity guest stars and lots of fun and excitement, but I'm not going to give away too much.
My kitty favorite move. Semi-liquid state, dropping into liquid hydrogen, negative 320 degrees.
All right, whip out the air guitars, everybody. Play as loud as you can. Taylor, you're going to Stevie Tyler. DJ Goofy! Hi, Jess, what you got? Okay.
Whoa.
Go Goofy! Go Goofy! Go Goofy! Yeah, boy!
From Walt Disney Imagineering, please allow me to introduce Kevin Rafferty and Sharita Carter.
Nothing can stop us now. I'll tell you how. We're gonna make it happen.
Okay, everyone, on the count of 3, everybody. 1, 2, 3.